We have a great sound effects designer here at the show named Rob Lowe, okay? He does a great job.
That's him.
Yeah. Here's the reason I'm bringing him up. Unfortunately, and this is a true story, I come into work today, and my producer, Jeff Ross, right over there, said, there he is. Wow, that guy, that's all right, yeah, wow. That guy lights up a room. Well, anyway,
Well, his policy of insisting there always be a camera on him really paid off today.
Unfortunately, so Jeff comes up to me and he goes, I gotta talk to you. Come into my office, we gotta talk. And I said, I can't even understand what you're saying. And he's like, I just had some soup, it was good soup. And he says, come into my office, I gotta speak to you. So I go into Jeff's office and he says, you know, we just got one issue, it's not a big deal, but Rob, the sound effects guy, couldn't make it into work today. True story, he's fine, but the rear window of his car got smashed in and he's been busy taking care of it. And so he called in and said, I can't be at work today. And so Jeff said, I'm just telling you, we have no sound effects today. So we're not gonna do any comedy that has sound effects. And I was like, this is bullshit. Right. Bullshit. I want to have, what if I want sound effects? Why can't I make the sound effects myself? Why do I need sound effects? They gave me the setup that he uses. I've not used it before. I'm just looking at it, but it's got some cool stuff here, and they've got some labels here like, I think we've got a good show tonight. Pretty cool. The audience didn't like the fact that I just replaced them.
Right.
They're like, hey, we did. Oh, boo me, will you? Well, guess what? I'll boo you.
Yeah.
Andy, would you like a bite of an invisible sandwich?
Why, certainly I would. Hey, made out of paneling, apparently.
Andy, you better swallow that sandwich. That was a boom.
Oh, that was my lunch digesting.
It says creek, but it's
kind of farty.
It's kind of.
It's a little farty.
I swear to God, it says creek right there. I don't do that kind of low.
Right when Bryce Dallas Howard sits down, you know, then you hit that.
It says creek. It doesn't say that. Man, if she did that, I think I'd fall in love with her. This one says, I think this makes like a dramatic, tell me something, give me some bad news, Andy, some dramatic news.
All right. An asteroid's hurtling towards the Earth. It's only as big as a pea, though. Yeah.
I feel like
that's when I take my pants off.
You take your pants?
Yeah. Hello, ladies.
There's a dog in here. There's a dolphin.
Oh, yeah, dog and dolphin.
What if the dog falls in love with the dolphin? And they have a baby.
An abomination baby.
I love you, Conan!
What?
There's an I love you Conan in here. I didn't even know that.
I love you, Conan! I love you, Conan!
And I want to try this one.
I love you, Conan!
She's holding my baby! I think I know what this one is for. Entourage didn't do so well at the box office, but we have this. Oh, yeah! All right, that's fun. That is a lot of fun. All right, I think there's a reason, though, that they have professionals do this.
Yeah, I think so.